If you don't mind, I'll take over now anyway.
Yeah, you take over. You have control.
I have control. Sierra Whiskey Sierra Bravo Sierra Sierra. You want us to go through the full hookup situation?
A level tow now, sir.
Okay, leveling. Copy. So this is where I'm going to get a bow in the cable if I'm not careful. He did say level, so I'm assuming he's going to take us back to the airfield. I'll stay in low tow. Hand on the air brake. The release for this simulation didn't work. I went to the left to indicate the problem.
Yes.
He would have tried, didn't work. And now we've just got to get back for a safe landing double hookup.
Sierra Whiskey Sierra. We are proceeding with the exercise with the assumption that you cannot release and I cannot release, and therefore we will commence the descent and land with you on coaster. Sierra Whiskey Sierra.
Bravo Sierra Sierra, understood, and I have half air brake. So that's half air brake.
Yep.
Traffic, Zulu with the echo, the 5 miles to the west of the sea, maintaining 3,500 feet, tracking down south, 70%. Every traffic truck here with you here with a glider on tow is right downwind, runway 16, Beverly.
If you get uncomfortable any stage, just pull a release and we'll land without the tug. I've got my hand on the air brake.
It's all looking good at the moment.
So he's going to do a long, low approach, which means we don't want a cable brake, otherwise we might have trouble. You see how tight that rope is. There's no chance of it looping around.
Yep.
Flaps, we don't have undercarriage down and locked always. Speed is his speed, 60 knots I've got.
Yep.
You got the same?
Yes, I do, exactly 60.
Yeah. And I'll trim down. And it's all clear on the right. Hand on the air brake. He'll land 1/3 of the way into the runway. And you can monitor the tow release for me on the ground. It's critical.
Yes. Yep, I've got my hand on it, but
Good.
if you feel like it needs to be pulled, just yell. Looking good at the moment.
Alright, he's still got 60 knots, we've got plenty of speed. Second release.
Nice.
It did bounce though.
It did bounce, but
Beverly traffic, here with you, Sierra backtracking runway 16 Beverly.